Heat number 2.
Small boat.
Again, on lane 1, we have Boracay All-Stars. Lane 2, Amphi. Lane 3, Bomba Pilipinas. And on lane 4, San Jose Banati.
So next year, hopefully, we can have 4 more boats.
Yes.
Mura lang.
Once again to all the teams, welcome to the City of Love, Iloilo City.
And our event is live stream. Also, visit our Facebook page, Iloilo River Dragon Boat Festival.
And you cannot watch that without a good provider, internet provider.
Which is Dito Telecommunications.
Thank you so much, Dito Telecommunity. And now the teams are loading to their respective boats. And we are getting ready again for our second race for the day. Senior Mixed Small Boat Heat number 2. So the teams competing for this race are the following: Boracay All-Stars, Amphi, Bomba Pilipinas, and San Jose Banati.
Yes, sir. Bomba Pilipinas.
On lane 1, we have Boracay All-Stars.
Guys, no? 2 minutes to start now, 1 minute to start. Yung senior mix category.
Boat folder number 1 sa pag-boot. Boat folder number 1.
Senior mix
Pag
category.
pina-forward namin yung boat 1, tapos sagad ka na,
Siya
bitawan
Bomba
mo.
Pilipinas.
Happy. One minute to start. Boat, heat number 2.
Senior mix small boat.
On lane 1, Boracay All-Stars.
Lane 1 Boracay All-Star.
Lane 2,
Lane 2.
Lane 3, Bomba Pilipinas.
Lane 3 Bomba Pilipinas.
And lane 4, San Jose Banati.
San Jose Banati yung lane 4. So, guys, baba na
Lane
natin
3
kasi
back.
Okay. So, preparation na. Ito na.
Lane 4 back.
So,
Lane 3 back, sagad mo ba?
hindi pa sa
Boat holder,
medyo
lane number
matapit tayo
3,
dito.
sagad mo yun. Back. Okay. Lane 2, 1 stroke forward. Lane 1 forward. Forward lane 1. Lane 1, 1 stroke. 1 stroke. Forward. Hold. All boats, are you ready?
Start na. Simula na ito sa nauna.
And they're off with
Race 2 nisa for
our race
mixed senior
number 2,
category small
Senior
boat.
Mixed Small Boat Heat number 2.
Number 2.
On lane 1, Boracay All-Stars. Lane 2, Amphi. Lane 3, Bomba
Lane 2,
Pilipinas.
Amphi.
And on lane 4, San Jose Banati.
Saan sila? Ito sa punta. Tapos Bomba Pilipinas, Alpi. Karna. Nasa dyan ka. Wala number 3, number 4.
100 meter
Number
mark.
3, number 4.
So, right now,
Nasa? Number 3, number 4, number 1. Nagpanguna.
gearing up for their last hit at Soto
Ang Alfie, ito kapanguli, ang Alfie, no?
Wow.
Oh, number 1.
50 meters of
Number
this
1, number 1,
race.
number 1.
It's really neck to neck at this point, ladies and
Oh, number 1.
So we have
Number 3, number 4.
boat number 4, boat number 3, and boat number 1 leading the
Oh,
pack.
leading the pack, number 1.
Okay, there you have it.
3, second, 4, third,
Good
4,
job, all the teams for race number 2.
I don't want to commit and say anything. Always, no commitment as to the winner. So once again, our race results will be posted here at the Secretariat tent